disappearing creator test. Let me ask you a question that will decide whether you win or disappear as a creator. If you stopped uploading tomorrow, no editing, no posting, no grinding, would your content still go out? Would your videos still be published? Your captions still written? Your thumbnails still designed? Your audience still growing? Or would everything collapse the moment you step away? Because here's the truth nobody warns you about. In 2026, creators don't lose because they're bad. They lose because their output depends on their presence. And while most creators are still doing everything manually, there's a smaller group quietly running content systems. They don't work harder. They work once, then let leverage scale. AI isn't replacing creators. It's replacing creators who refuse to remove themselves from the bottleneck. Today, I'll show you the 10 AI tools every creator must know in 2026. Not for hype, for control. These are the systems separating creators who scale from creators who burn out. Let's start with the most dangerous one. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. The Idea Factory. In 2026, creativity isn't rare. Consistency is. ChatGPT is no longer a chatbot. It's an idea factory. It replaces blank screens, creative fatigue, mental overload. You can ask, give me 10 viral hooks in my niche. Rewrite this script to increase emotional tension. Turn this long video into 12 shorts. This is how faceless channels post daily without ever recording or brainstorming again. Why this matters? Most creators don't quit from lack of talent. They quit from idea exhaustion. If you're starting from zero every time you create, you're already losing. Tool number 2, Claude. The authority builder ChatGPT is fast. Claude is thoughtful. Claude excels at long-form scripts, narrative storytelling, deep explanations, complex logic. This is how creators stop sounding like trend chasers and start sounding like sources. Channels using Claude are the ones people trust after the hype fades. Why this matters? Attention is rented, trust is owned, and owned attention compounds. Tool number 3, Gemini, the format killer. This is where most creators fall behind. They think in formats, videos, posts, images. Gemini thinks in information. You can drop in a screenshot, article, or visual and turn it into content instantly. This is how one idea becomes a video, a short, a post, a thread without extra work. Creators who win in 2026 don't ask, what should I post? They ask, how many assets can I extract from this? Tool number 4, Midjourney, the scroll stopper. This is where attention is won or lost. Midjourney creates cinematic thumbnails, custom brand visuals, scroll-stopping imagery, no stock photos, no designers, no delays. This is how solo creators compete with full production teams. Why this matters? Your thumbnail decides whether your content lives or dies. In 2026, attention is the real currency. Tool number 5, Canva Magic Studio. Speed as a weapon, perfection is a trap. Speed wins. Canva Magic Studio now designs layouts, writes copy, animates assets, resizes everything automatically. This is how creators publish across platforms without redesigning anything. Why this matters? The algorithm rewards iteration, not perfection, and friction kills creators faster than failure. Pattern interrupt. Pay attention. Pause for a second. If this already feels overwhelming, that's the point. Because the creators pulling ahead right now aren't smarter. They just stop doing everything themselves. Let's continue. Tool number 6, Runway, video without limits. Video used to require cameras, lighting teams. Runway removes all of that. You can generate video from text edit scenes with words, remove backgrounds instantly. This is how channels produce cinematic visuals without filming a single frame. Video is no longer technical, it's directional. Tool number 7, Sora. The shift, no one is ready for this, sounds extreme, until you realize it's already happening. Sora generates entire videos from text, scenes, motion, lighting, narrative flow. This is the foundation of AI-generated ads, AI-generated films, AI-generated content empires. Sora doesn't replace creators, it replaces ceilings. Tool number 8, Opus Clip, the distribution engine. Here's the brutal truth. Creation gets attention, distribution gets paid. Opus Clip turns one long video into dozens of shorts automatically. This is how creators dominate feeds without creating more content. The winners in 2026 don't post once. They post everywhere. Tool number 9, ElevenLabs. The voice system. Your voice should not limit your output. ElevenLabs creates natural narration, emotional delivery, consistent voiceovers. This is how faceless channels publish daily without burnout. Your voice becomes infrastructure, not effort. Tool number 10, Notion AI, the scale map. This is where creators become operators. Notion AI helps you plan content calendars, store scripts, track workflows, build systems. This is how creators run multiple channels without chaos. Systems create freedom. Motivation does not. The real truth, here's what most creators avoid admitting. In 2026, talent is optional, leverage is mandatory. AI doesn't replace creators, it replaces creators who refuse to adapt. So here's the real question. Will you use AI to build systems, multiply output, reclaim time, or will you compete with creators who never sleep? If you're done relying on motivation, comment systems. And if this channel is helping you think differently, subscribe, because this is what we build here. The tools are here, the advantage is real, and the gap is widening. Choose wisely.